In this video, let me show you how to convert any PDF script into SVG and use it in whiteboard animation. For this, you need to open an application called Inkscape. It is an open source application. In case you don't have, you need to download it and install it. Now let us download this application called Inkscape. Open any browser and type in Inkscape and click on Inkscape Draw Freely. Once the web page is open, click on Download. You get multiple options. Depending upon the OS you use, select the suitable one for you. Since I have Windows, I have selected Windows 32-bit. Once the download is complete, open the program and click on File menu. In the drop-down menu, click on Import. First import PDF into Inkscape. Select the page number that you want to use in whiteboard animation. Open it and drag it to the workspace. Align it to the desired size. Now click on Objects and in drop-down menu, click on Ungroup Object. You will notice at the bottom of the screen, no objects to ungroup. Now click on Path icon. In drop-down menu, click Object to Path. Now once again, try Ungroup twice or thrice until each word is ungrouped. Now go to the path again and click Dynamic Offset and select the PDF text. You will see the nodes of each text. Now select the sentences or paragraph to use it as a clip in whiteboard and copy. Open a new file and paste it. In drop-down menu, click on Fill and Stroke. A new window will show up. There you have to click on Stroke Paint and then click on Flat Paint box. Your job is done. Now save the text in SVG format in the folder. Now open the whiteboard application and import the saved SVG file. Align it to your requirement. Set time to animate and play. I hope this trick will help you in making video faster with no much typing hassle.